Hello viewers and welcome back again. I'm still your co-instructor Dr. Don, and today I'm going to show you a quick way of how to create a bootable Mac operating system on your pen drive and run the installation. Okay, so it's going to be simple as that. I'm going to show you how to create a bootable, and from there you can install it on your own. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. So first thing is to insert a pen drive. It should be around 8 gig to 16 gig because the new operating system of Mac is quite big. Some is 8 gig, 10 gig. I don't know where you get your operating system. There you can look online to get for some from some other links and so, or you can just purchase it so that you could run the installation. You can purchase it from the App Store and or from other avenues. That's on your own, but today I'm just showing you how to just create a bootable operating system. So the first thing you need to do is on your Mac, first thing is to go to our Finder and go to Go first and click on Utilities. Perfect. Then after Utilities, all you need to do is to click on X Utilities. Okay, double click on it to open this beautiful page for you. Okay, so with this dialog box, you can see my drives are shown here, and this is my external, which is my USB drive. So all you need to do is to click on this because this is the name, and you could see I have almost 8 gig pen drive inserted into this MacBook. So what I need to do now is to create the bootable. Look on top here, we have these 3 icons showing here. It's almost 5. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, I said 3. It's 5. Okay, so what you need to click on is this icon, which is labeled with auto restore. Okay, click on this and perfect. Now it is showing you where to restore this operating system from. Okay, so we are restoring from this OS or this Windows, but we need to click on this image icon here. Click on this. It will send you to where you've installed it, or you have your operating system located on your machine, whether it's Windows OS or either Mac OS itself. Okay, so here I have my OS somewhere here. You could see Mac OS Catalina Patcher. This is not the actual operating system, but I'm showing you because most of the operating system is end with a DMG, or any Mac software is been always had this extension as .dmg. Okay, so when you see Mac OS Catalina, it will end with .dmg. So all you need to do is to just select this, then click on choose. Perfect. So when you choose this, what you need to do now is to just click on restore. Okay, so when I click on restore, you could see what this when it was on operating system, you could see that it's being had to restore from that location. But this is just a patcher. I'm just showing that this is the process of creating a bootable. Fastest way of creating bootable images to your USB drive so that you can install. So you just wait for it to finish everything. Then after this, just unplug your USB, then reboot the system and hit on Command plus or your Command key. Just hit on your Command key for several times. It will show you a good dialog box like an intro on your either Mac OS or your Windows system, just like it's showing all the boot options you can choose. Then you select your drive and it will start your installation for you. So this is just the quick way of creating a bootable drive onto your USB or Mac OS. Thank you and see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.
If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance?